These baked chicken pieces are the easiest way to get dinner on the table with minimal fuzz. So here I have some chicken thighs and drumsticks. You could also use this recipe with a whole chicken and cut it into pieces. And I've already removed the excess fat from the thighs, especially the thighs. And I'm gonna take them and place them on my baking sheet. I'm gonna show you how I cook these all the way through and also achieve a crispy skin. You'll wanna season the chicken pieces with salt. And then I just take my tongs and kind of pick up some of the salt that's left over on the tray. But you wanna cook these with skin side up. So I'm gonna infuse these with some flavor by combining some olive oil, add some garlic powder. I'm gonna juice my lemon and mix it all in there. And then I'm gonna take that mixture and spoon it right over my chicken pieces and use the back of the spoon to kind of spread it out. You'll also want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'm going to do is cover these with foil from end to end. The foil is going to trap the heat underneath and cook the chicken all the way through to the bone. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how I give these chicken pieces a crispy skin. Let's put these in the preheated oven and we're going to cook them for a total of 50 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and cook them for an additional 20 minutes. Now we know they're ready because the internal temperature has reached 175 Fahrenheit and they're looking oh so good. Let's take them out. Now these chicken pieces are ready to be served. One thing that I do to add more flavor is to get a little bit more lemon after I bake it and just squeeze it right over the top in the pan before I serve it. Add them to your favorite serving tray and get your sides ready. These chicken pieces are super simple to make, and just like this, you've got a delicious dinner ready to go. See you guys next time.